Hello, so today I'm going to be making some naan breads in the tandoor. So let's have a look at the ingredients. We've got 250 grams of self-raising flour. We've got a teaspoon of sugar, teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of salt. We've got a cup of yogurt, milk, and some coriander. So the first thing we're going to do is put all the dry ingredients in. And then just give it a mix. So once that's mixed, we just want to make a little well in the middle and then pour in our yogurt. And then we're going to just mix that in. So the first time I made naan breads, what I did was I added the milk all in one go, and that made it really sticky and it was just a complete mess. So what I'm going to do this time is just gradually add the milk in and then just knead and mix it with my hand. So look, now it's really sticky. I think I added too much in again. But let's see if I can work with it. Yeah, it's got really sticky again. Hence why this time I'm wearing a glove as well, so it's easy just to take off and throw away. But look, this is what you don't see in YouTube videos when your fingers are like that. So obviously I've done something a little bit wrong again. Probably added too much milk. I mean, look, I only added a dash, but maybe I needed to go a bit slower. What I will do actually, I think I'll add just a little bit more flour. Still got one more hand, so just move the milk out of the way. Just pop some of this in. Again, no idea how much. So that straight away, that's a little bit better now, see? So maybe I didn't add enough flour first time round. Maybe too much yogurt. So that was 250 grams of self-raising flour initially with 1 cup of yogurt. So maybe I should have put a little bit less yogurt in. I think that's going to be enough. Yeah, nice bounce to that. Look at that, see the finger, see that hasn't bounced back quite as well yet. Maybe just needs time to rest. I think that might be it. So it's not going to get any better than that. So I'm going to cover this up now and then let it rest for a few hours, and we'll come back and roll it out. So it's been a few hours now, and as you can see, this doesn't look too bad actually. If I was to press it, see the bounce? So it is actually bouncing back. So it might be all right. So the first thing I'm going to do, so I've got a bit of flour here. I'm actually going to put in some fresh coriander. So I'm just going to, well, pull it in really, and then just kind of mix it all together. So I'll do a bit here, and then just roll it all up. Get some flour. There's no real science behind this. I'm not overly sure what I'm doing, but it'll hopefully will come out okay. So let's put a bit more flour. Get some more coriander. Just put it in, just fold it out. Just keep doing this really until it's all kind of mixed in. What I'm going to do, just stretch it out a little bit. There we go. And we cut it down the middle. And then I reckon thirds. I reckon 6 naan breads out of this. So we got that one there. Oh, it's a bit big, doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do is just show you how I'm going to do one, and then I'll just repeat the others. So I'm just going to kind of make it into a ball round shape. I'm not going to use a rolling pin, purely because if I did use a rolling pin, they'll still look the same as if I was using my fingers, so it's not going to make a difference. So just keep folding it, keep rolling it, flipping it, and just roll it out with my fingers. Every time it gets a bit more sticky, I'll just put a bit more flour on top. And there we are. That's basically the naan breads. So, you know, rustic look to it, which I think always looks better. Here we go, all done. Little mini naans today, so let's go and cook them in the tandoor. Okay, so it's naan bread time. Let's have a look what happens. Oh, it's really hot. I think once they start peeling, I'll take them off. So that was the first one. See, it's bubbled up nicely. Pop around here. So fingers crossed, they're actually going to be okay. I'm not sure when to take them off. I'm going to hold it out a little bit longer. Okay, so I'm going to take them off now. Oh, they've stuck. Oh, they've all stuck. Oh man, it's perfect as well. So there are naan breads. This one is absolutely perfect, look at that. The rest I had to kind of butcher off the sides, but they're not bad at all really, they're perfect, just got stuck to the sides. The rest, as you saw, I had to pull off with my hands, hence why they're a little bit not complete, but look at that, that's absolutely lovely naan bread. Coriander inside. If I served you that, you're still going to say yes. So all in all, I think that's a success.